All right, hey guys, this is my son, Josiah, and he's gonna mix up this Rubik's Cube because my other son here, Nate, he's 11, fifth grader. Nate is really good at solving Rubik's Cubes, and so I want to show you this. So just so you know, there's no funky business. Josiah, my little 6-year-old first grader here, he's gonna mix this thing up. All right, mix it up, buddy. Mix it all up. Jack that thing up, JoJo. Hold on, Nate. Mix it up. No, hold on. Go 2 more to the left. Go 3 to the right. 4 to the left.
Jesus, let me do what I want, Dad.
Okay. All right, we're going to have Nate start it. Count down here. Hold on, Nate. We're going to get you a countdown in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, let's see how he does here. All right, you are 20 seconds into it here. I saw a player at Notre Dame do this in like a minute 16, I think it was.
Yeah, minute 16.
You think Nate can beat a college football player, you think?
Yeah, 40 seconds. Yep.
All right, let's see.
$50 seconds.
I'm not going to be able to.
That's pretty neat, isn't it? So.
Yeah. Pretty neat.
A minute 5. Look how close it is. Minute 10.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
He beat
112, I think. You beat a kid. You beat a Notre Dame football player, son. Look at you. Nice job.